Hello, yeah, this is Mike, Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another exciting software review for you, and this one is called AI Google Hack, and it's going live on the 21st of March 2023 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in a nutshell, this is world's first AI application that is going to actually help you hack Google's hidden loopholes, and this will make you regular income up to nearly $35 every time someone clicks on this very application, actually on whatever this application is going to create for you in the name of websites or any other thing for that matter. And this one is really going to help you make money on autopilot, and is going live by Sheun Ogundele and of course Jason Fulton, his partner. And this one is a massive AI Google hack arrangement, and this is going to actually help you make money online. My name is Mike of Mbadiwe of the MikeMbadiwe.com. If you are new to my channel, every day I do these reviews, every other day. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now we will go into more details. If you stick with me, definitely I will take you to the amazing bonuses that I have for you. In any case, in the course of this review, anytime you decide to purchase this one for what it does, which is hack Google's loopholes to be able to make money for you, definitely use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you grab a copy using this link or any of the other links, green links, light green links scattered all over this page. And now, if you stick with me also, I will show you the amazing software and the demo video of this product in action, so that you see what you stand to gain with this one. Unfortunately, till now, as I speak to you, I did not get the review access properly, but I was able to get the video demonstration, which is going to play here in the course of this review. But in any case, let us go into more details. And nothing is going to stop me from bringing what I think is good, as long as a digital product is concerned, which is the job I do online to review them and help you make a decision if it's going to be for you. Now, this is exactly what Jason Fulton and Sheun Ogundele are saying this is going to do for you. He said it's the world's first AI app that hacks Google's hidden loopholes, banking you $345 per day without writing a single word, paying them $34.75 every time someone clicks. That means you get paid every time someone clicks on your site. As I told you before, the entire site is created for us with AI and 100% success rate with all their beta testers, and you have zero work, completely automated solution, 365-day money back guarantee a whole year, and you leverage hidden Google hack to generate massive profit. And this means using these loopholes to drive traffic to your offer, maybe to your website. It could be blog, it could be affiliate link, it could be anything, and then you never see a better method, and no upfront costs required, and you just get paid $300 if it fails to get you results, apart from getting refunds. Okay, so that's what he is saying. And if we should go into further details of this, I would like to go straight to giving you exactly the pricing for this one, for this very product. The front end goes for $17, which is going to give you access to this software here, and then it will be yours. Everything is automated, and you have the OTU number 1. It goes for $47. OTU number 2 is the done for you product, which means everything is basically done for you. It goes for $297, and you have the OTU number 3, $97, OTU number 4, $47, and OTU number 5, $147. OTU number 6 will be $47, OTU number 7, $77, OTU number 8, $97, and OTU number 9, $77. And these are different upgrades to this product that will definitely give you one added incentive and more capabilities, of course, than the front end. But my advice is, if you get the front end, you get the unlimited version, which is OTU number 1. And of course, if you like, you can get the very OTU number 2, which is the done for you version of this. And then all the other upgrades like reseller rights and IMX bundle and the rest of them, they are all good upgrades that you can use to maximize the profits you make with this very application. Okay, so it's generally a good one. Now, before we go further into any other thing, let us see the sales page of this one and scroll together and see if this is going to be for you. Okay, so you hold on a sec. When you arrive here using any of the buttons on my bonus page, like any of these buttons, if you click this, when you arrive using that link in the description area, it will take you to the sales page where you are going to get a certain discount from this, and then you will be able to use this very link to get discount on this very front end and probably all the other upgrades there. Okay, so you have every other thing that you need to get this done for you. It's a massive discount as well, as I am told, and then that will be yours. Okay, so let's go. Now you can see the very sales video here which you are going to watch, and then these are some of the benefits that you have with this one. You get paid every time someone clicks on your site, and it's 100% success rate with all the beta testers. You have definitely, you can leverage a hidden Google hack to generate massive profits and damage drivers, and you can get paid 300 if this fails to work for you. This is the promise you have read before, and then you have it front end for just one-time price of $17 instead of $497. So you can see that these are some of the amazing income proofs from the beta testers and the creators of this wonderful AI Google hack product, and you can see what they have made with this one. Well, what happens is that the massive strategy behind this is that it's going to actually drive traffic. You know, Google is the biggest search engine that you have, and coupled with YouTube, which is owned by Google as well, and then you can imagine the traffic you have of all the 4.5 billion or thereabout that have access to the internet. You definitely have a chunk of people that will patronize you using this loophole that is, you know, algorithm in a way to drive traffic to your offer, to your site, or whatever you have out there on any particular niche you choose. So it's amazing what you have there. Okay, and yes, you exploit forces Google to pay $34, nearly $35 every time someone clicks on your website, and you want to do that all the time. Okay, so that's exactly what you have, and you'll be able to generate some of these results using 20 clicks. We give you this, 10 clicks, this, 5 clicks, this, and 1 click is this. So depending on all the clicks you get in a day, amounts to the amount of money you can make a day. Okay, and then all of that without creating any website yourself, creating content or writing content, driving traffic manually, and you have running this. You don't ranking in Google because it's a Google loophole, so that means it's going to comfortably, naturally, automatically rank for you, and then you stop creating videos and waiting weeks for results. Okay, so it makes things easy because it's artificial intelligence generated arrangement that will make you money, you know, using science actually. A siphon from the loophole that is noted in Google using this AI Google hack. Okay, so it makes a lot of sense to me, and I believe it makes to you as well. And these are the people who we are beta testers of this product, and they are saying that all of them cannot be wrong, you know, if they attest to the goodness of this product. Therefore, you can make up your mind if it's going to be for you. Okay, and I mean, give it a trial, you know, so you cannot know if a soup is sweet until you test it. Okay, so that's exactly the essence of this one. These are the people who are giving testimonials to what they were able to make with this one from what Jason Fulton and Sean Ogundele are saying. And you have 3 basic steps with this one. Step 1, you access this very software using your password, which you must have generated after purchase of this product, using of course that link in my description, the first link. And then step 2 will be to let the AI do the work for you and create website that leverage the hidden Google loophole, and then of course hack that information, be able to ethically make money for you. Okay, and then step 3, you are done. You get paid every time someone clicks on your AI site. Okay, so makes sense. Science and technology is everything as we speak and go in this very life of ours in this earth. You'll be able to see that it will be very difficult for anybody who has no access to the internet to make money in a time to come. Okay, because I mean, AI will be doing most of the work as we are envisaging, and if that is good, I don't know if that is bad. I don't know too. I leave that to you for judgment. Okay, so now this is, like I said, if you are here, any of these links will give you access to this product. These are the creators, Jason Fulton and Shem Ogundale, and they are wonderful creators. They create once in a while and they do very good products, and you'll be able to have access to this sales page at your convenience when you arrive here, because definitely we cannot, in the course of this review, read all the very letters that you have on this sales page. That's why we are going to leave it for you, so that we make up your mind by getting the information when you arrive here, and then we'll definitely go from there. I don't want to waste our time so much with this very one, because I know you will eventually get access to this using any of those links on my bonus page. And definitely this product, if you make up your mind, a copy of it will become yours, and you'll be able to make money using a website that are AI generated and in designed in a way in order to sort of use the loophole from Google to make money for you by simply driving traffic to your offer. It could be that site, it could be anything else.
Welcome to this amazing video, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you a powerful software called AI Google Ads. AI Google Ads is the world's first artificial intelligence app that adds Google hidden loophole pays us every time someone clicks without creating or promoting anything. And yes, there's no skills or experience needed. So in the next few steps, I'm going to show you how you can create your own passive income sites with the power of AI, so that you can get paid every time someone clicks on your site. So now let's get started. So I'm going to log into my AI Google Ads account. So once I'm inside, I'll go to manage site and click on create site. So once you click on create site, you need to give your passive income site the name. So here I'm just going to say business gist, and here I'm going to give it a name as well. So it's going to be the same name, which is business gist, and then you click on submit. As you can see, in one click your site is being created. So now before we view our website, let's add content to our site and also monetize it. So I'm going to go to admin area. So once you click on admin area, then I'll come to AI boost. Then you give the name of the content you want to generate. So here I'm just going to say business. And then the type of keywords, yeah, I can say games, crypto, finance, affiliate marketing. So you enter as many keywords as possible that you want your content to be about. So here you specify the number of keywords. So here I'm just going to specify 5, 10, you can specify the amount, and then you select the language. So this amazing app can generate content in different languages. So here I'm just going to select English, and then you select the category. So I'm going to select gaming, and then the subcategory mobile gaming, and then you can click on save. You can always add more categories. Just go to the category sections here and add more categories and subcategories. So once you've done that, it will appear here. So the next thing is just to hit the save button, and that's it, guys. You can see content generated automatically. That's it. In just a single click, content is generated. So the next thing we need to do is to add monetization to our website. So just go to add spaces and select different places where you want to place your ad. You can see the different places. So once I select the location where I want to place my ad, like I select the index now, you can see the desktop view. You see where you can put the ad, the mobile view. So here you can add different type of monetization. It could be Google ads, which is highly recommended. It could be any other pay-per-click ads. It could be Taboola. It could be Outbrain, and it could be affiliate products that you can add. So here I'm just going to paste my Google ads into code here, and also here I'm going to paste it again. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on the save button. So once we publish our ads, let's view our site and let's see how it looks like. I'm just going to click here to view our site. As you can see, the banner ads are there. You can see the content, the banner ads. You can see the banner ads everywhere. So every time someone click on any of these ads, you get paid. So that is how AI Google Ads works. Thank you.
Okay, now let us go back to my amazing bonus page so that you see already you have seen the pricing and you have seen the benefits. And of course, now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number one would be an amazing AI automated system that's going to give you money on demand, and you will be able to make 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. And you have bonus number two will be Access Money Factory, and this is another training course that is going to teach you how to make money and turn Facebook, turn social media and the rest of them into money making farms and factories where you can make money. Okay, now you have the bonus number three, the commission toolbox, with over 1,000 links that will give you one capability or the other, as long as using tools online is concerned. And these are amazing tools like background removers, plugins, bots, and a lot of other things you can do. Link shorteners, they are all there, over 1,000 of them. You can imagine the access you have and the opportunity you have with this. Now you have my bonus number four as how to rank any site on page number one in Google. You can imagine when you create that site, the product says you don't need to rank it because it ranks automatically, but there is no harm in getting this training and be able to know how you can do that in case you have other things that you want to do and make them rank, so that you know the hacks you need to actually make them rank. Okay, now you have my bonus number five, which is the final one, which has 17 different training courses on amazing softwares. This one is called the Product Vault. 17 of them in this very link. You will be able to have access to wonderful products that will teach you how to make money from scratch and even improve you if you are a seasoned marketer. So you have all of that in this very one. If you click this link, it will take you to the sales page, and then you grab a copy using any of the links on the sales page. Like this one, I'm going to show you, they are similar in color with the one I have already on my listing. So this is the very link. If you click it, it will take you to my WaterPlus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to AI Google Hack, and you'll be able to pick up your own copy using this very link. And here under it, you have access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And definitely, this will bring us to the end of this very short review for AI Google Hack. If you are new to my channel, like I said before, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Definitely, I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, is goodbye.